Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you as well. Today, we're outside, and we're going to try to install a trellis between two of my beds, and I thought I would bring you along. Last year here in this bed, we grew our slicing cucumbers, and I want to rotate them this year. And I also want to grow pickling cucumbers. So I'm going to see if I can put a trellis in between two of my beds, my raised beds over here, and plant cucumbers, either pickling or slicing on them. I ended up putting it here based upon the space between the beds. And we're almost finished. We just have to put on the end caps and then put in little tabs where I have no screws so that moisture doesn't get in. So let's go ahead and finish that real quick and come back. So we finally have it connected. And as you can see, it looks great. Now, I wanted to grow cucumbers on trellis, like I mentioned before, but I could also use this to grow tomatoes or pole beans now, since I have something for them to trellis on. Installation was not too difficult and went relatively quick. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we installed this trellis. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. The distance is about 4.5 feet, which is why it is here. All the other distance between my other raised beds, it's about 2.5 to 3 feet, so it would not have fit. And I'm happy with where it is. I can see it from my home and look out and see what's going on. So I'm happy, very, very happy that Vego sent it out to me. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, I'll go ahead and leave the link, affiliate link and discount code in the description portion of the video, as well as the comment section. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, I guarantee you your family and friends will also. So it's okay to share. I recently celebrated 5 years on YouTube and a half decade. Wow, where did the time go? It has really, really, really been a interesting and fun ride. I've met a lot of nice people that even though I've never seen them before, I call friends and I talk to almost on a daily basis. So I'm looking forward to another 5 years and meeting more friends. Until next time, always remember to give a thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.